So here we are today with Jeremy from Harbour Force Marine. One of the areas that he focuses on and has had many repeat customers is on maintaining the quality of the gel coat and the shine on the vessels. And Jeremy, what are you doing today here on Laura J?
So Laura J is about to go out with their clients for a couple of days. So we're doing an exterior wash down and we're doing a clean and brighten on their teak. We've been looking after this vessel since 2006. Every year we anti-foul and detail it and keep it in the pristine condition.
It's important to keep that maintenance up on a regular basis, isn't it?
Definitely. After the storms we've just had, a lot of black streaks running down the painted surfaces, so we'll put some protection on that with some wax and an exterior wash and be ready to go for a 2-week holiday, 2-week trip up north.
Well, that's good. And what can you do it yourself boat owner do to protect and enhance and maintain his own gel coat in between having to come and see you? He might not want to come and see you as regularly as, say, the owner of Laura J, but what can he do himself to protect his vessel?
I guess the most important thing is to wash your vessels. Every 2 to 3 weeks, an exterior wash down with a good quality wash and wax. We use a company called Cleanerworks, and they provide our teak cleaning and all their cutting and polishing equipment.
And even a trailer boat owner, he should be washing his vessel, and before he puts it away each time, make sure it's cleaned and then covered when he puts it in the shed, shouldn't he?
100%. If you have it in dry storage, you can get probably a year out of your wax. The average wax on a horizontal surface will last about 8 to 10 weeks. So it's important to get a good quality wax on the vessel.
And that is all about protecting the vessel from the ultraviolet radiation.
That's correct.
And dry store is a good option for getting the boat out of the sun, but many people will tow their boat home and they'll put it away in the shed. Yep. Or put it in the backyard, and they should still cover the vessel up at that point.
That's correct. And once again, at the moment during summer, you get the hot, humid conditions, and with that comes mold. So you want to be taking your covers off once a month and just get some airflow through there.
So, and there are mold inhibitors too. Do you use those?
Just regular cleaning. Yep, get some airflow on there.
So it's the good old elbow grease that my father probably told me to do when I was cleaning the boat when we got back from some fishing.
Back to basics. That's what it's all about.
Oh, that's good. Well, Jeremy, you're doing a great job with Laura J, and I'm sure it's going to look fantastic when the guests arrive later this afternoon.
Perfect. Thanks, Andrew.
Thanks, Jeremy.